Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Java records are a feature introduced in Java 14, as a preview feature, and made stable in Java 16. They are a special kind of class in Java, primarily used for immutable data carriers. One of the interesting aspects of records is that they can be made serializable, allowing you to serialize instances of these records to a byte stream, which can then be persisted or transmitted over a network. What is serialization? Serialization is the process of converting an object into a byte stream, which can then be saved to a file or sent over a network. Deserialization is the reverse process, where a byte stream is converted back into a copy of the original object. Making a Java record serializable. To make a record serializable, you need to implement the serializable interface. This is a marker interface in Java, which means it does not contain any methods that need to be implemented. Code example. Here's a simple example demonstrating how to create a serializable Java record, serialize an instance of it, and then deserialize it. Step 1, create a serializable record. Step 2, serialization. Next, we will write a method to serialize the person record to a file. Step 3, deserialization. Now, we will write a method to deserialize the person record from the file. Complete example. To run the complete example, you can put serialize example and deserialize example in separate Java files or run them in sequence. Here's what the complete process looks like. 1. Serialize a person record to a file named person.ser. 2. Deserialize the person record from person.ser and print its details. Important notes. 1. Serial version UID. It's a best practice to declare a serial version UID in your serializable classes/records. This is used during the deserialization process to ensure that a loaded class corresponds exactly to a serialized object. 2. Immutability. Records are immutable by default. Once you create an instance, you cannot change its state. This makes serialization and deserialization straightforward since the state won't change unexpectedly. 3. Nested records. If records contain other serializable objects, including other records, those objects must also be serializable. 4. Compatibility. Be cautious about modifying the record structure after serialization, as it might lead to invalid class exception during deserialization. Conclusion. Using Java records as serializable objects simplifies the process of creating data carriers while ensuring immutability. The example above demonstrates how easy it is to serialize and deserialize a Java record, making it a powerful feature for managing data in Java applications.